Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to mount a solid state hard drive in an HP all-in-one computer. So the hard drive's mounted right in this holder right here, and it comes with a 3.5-inch disk hard drive. So you want to take a screw out right here and remove this holder, and after you get that out, remove the hard drive, and then you're going to want to take a drill and drill clearance holes for 3 M3 screws, metric 3mm screws that'll secure the solid state hard drive. Here you can see how I've got mine mounted nice and secure in the existing mount from the 3.5-inch hard drive. So these screws, I've got a little diagram on where you want to drill those holes. So this one here is about 4mm from that edge, and then this one here is about 65.5mm from the straight edge here. So you want to drill those two holes, and those are from this edge down here. They're both 90mm. So measure 90mm from here to the center of that hole and drill 2 holes. And then this mount gets a little bigger down here. So this one here from the edge, you're going to want to go about 8.5mm, and then from this edge here, you're going to want to drill that hole 14mm from that edge. So 8.5 from that edge, 14 from that edge. Pop that hole in there, and once you get all 3 holes in there, you want to drill it for a clearance for a metric 3mm screw, and I used 3 M3 by 5mm long screws to mount that solid state hard drive in there. So I've seen some videos where they just kind of leave the hard drive dangle in there. This is a very super easy way to securely mount that hard drive in this HP all-in-one computer. Thanks.